In today's video, I'm going to show you the accessibility features in OneNote that can make your notes easier to read, easier to create, and easier to share with everyone. Whether you want a distraction-free reading experience, hands-free typing, audio-based note-taking, or a quick way to check your notebook for accessibility issues, OneNote has several helpful tools built in. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, let's look at Immersive Reader. This is one of the most useful accessibility tools in OneNote because it removes distractions and makes text much easier to focus on. To open it, go to the View tab at the top of OneNote, then click Immersive Reader. Once it opens, OneNote gives you a full-screen reading experience that strips away extra clutter so you can concentrate on the content. From here, you can change background colors to reduce eye strain, adjust the spacing between words for better readability, and even break words into syllables to help with pronunciation and comprehension. This is especially useful if you're reading long notes, studying, or just want a cleaner viewing experience. If you've ever struggled with reading dense pages, Immersive Reader can make a big difference. Next, let's move to Dictation, which is OneNote's voice-to-text feature. This is perfect if you want to type notes faster or if you prefer speaking instead of typing. To use it, go to the Home tab and click Dictate. Once it's active, just speak into your microphone and OneNote will turn your speech into text directly on the page. You can also say Punctuation out loud, which helps keep your notes organized without needing to stop and click around constantly. For example, you can say things like comma, period, question mark, and OneNote will add them for you. This makes it ideal for taking quick notes during meetings, brainstorming ideas, or capturing thoughts when you don't want to use the keyboard. It also gives you a more hands-free way to work, which can be a huge accessibility benefit. Now let's talk about audio recording and playback tracking, which is a very powerful feature for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to review spoken information later. To start, go to Insert, then choose Audio. From there, you can begin recording a lecture, meeting, interview, or any other live session. While the recording is running, you can also type notes or draw ink on the page. The helpful part is that OneNote timestamps your notes against the audio as you work. That means when you play the audio back later, OneNote can highlight the notes you took at the exact moment they were made. This makes reviewing content much easier because you can connect what was said with what you wrote down. If you've ever tried to replay a meeting and wondered which note matched which part of the conversation, this feature solves that problem beautifully. Another important accessibility tool in OneNote is the Check Accessibility feature. This is especially useful if you're sharing notebooks with colleagues, classmates, or anyone else who needs your content to be easy to read and navigate. To use it, go to the Review tab in the top ribbon menu, then click Check Accessibility. OneNote will open a side panel and scan your current notebook for potential accessibility issues. It may detect things like missing alt text on images, poor color contrast between your text and the page background, or other barriers that could make your content harder to understand. The best part is that it gives you quick fixes, so you can resolve these issues right away, instead of guessing what needs to be changed. If you want your notes to be more inclusive and professional, this should be one of the final steps before sharing. So to recap, OneNote gives you several accessibility features that can improve how you read, write, record, and share your notes. Immersive Reader helps reduce distractions and eye strain. Dictation lets you create notes with your voice. Audio recording and playback tracking help you connect notes with spoken information. And Check Accessibility helps you make sure your notebooks are readable and usable for others. These tools are simple, practical, and incredibly useful once you know where to find them. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.